What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. We look at the 24 hours market performance to see what the market has done so far for the past 24 hours. Then we'll check on our positions to see, as always, to see whether we are going up, down, left, right, or any of the directions you might think of. And then we will look at price in a little bit more details. Like I always say, that is one essential part for every trader. It don't matter whether you are trading stocks or you are trading crypto, whatever you are trading, it is always good to look at the charts at least twice or three times a day. Okay, I make it a habit because that helps to determine my next move, what I'm selling, what I'm buying, what I'm adding to the margin. So there's a lot of things that looking at charts daily makes me helps me do. Okay, but before we get into that, guys, yesterday we talked about patience. Being patient enough. Okay, that's what we talked about yesterday. Today I want to talk about having a plan. Guys, if you fail to plan, okay, that means you are planning for a failure. You heard that before, right? You're planning for a failure because you failed to plan. There's no point having these positions go up. Excuse me. Having your positions go up to a certain price sorry, I can't speak today, to a certain price target, and yet you don't take profits. Yet you take profits and you fail to manage your profits properly, to the extent that when the next bull run comes, you end up starting from where you started this last bull run. Do you understand what I mean? That is another big problem that a lot of us have, and that's something that I learned. I learned that it's important for you to have a plan even before you meet your target. Okay, it's always to have a plan A, plan B, plan C. In case this one don't work out, this will work out. In case this won't work out, this will work out. What I can say is that 3 plans cannot fail. At least if one fail, 2 will be able to work. If 2 fail, at least 1 will work. Okay, so a lot of you will be asking me, excuse me, what does that has to do with Casper, Quant, and Jasmine? What does that has to do with it? Actually, it has to do with everything in it. Everything. We'll start with Casper first. I don't know what your plan is, but I think I've been telling you guys what my plan for Casper is, for the short term and for the long term. As a matter of fact, that's why Casper, I have it on spot, I have it on leverage, and I'm mining it because Casper is the biggest in my portfolio. 80% of my portfolio is Casper, and the reason why is because I know Casper, not this run, the next bull run, Casper will be looking at Bitcoin. Excuse me. Casper will be looking at Bitcoin face to face, and you will see a lot of people are going to figure out that Casper is Bitcoin on steroids. They've already started already. We have the Casplex inscription / smart contracts in. We have the Casper ecosystem injection, the people that they're kind of promoting, and they're already giving out. There's $10 million out here for you to develop on Casper. And guess what is going to happen soon? Developers are going to jump like shark on a frenzy trying to get that $10 million, because there is $10 million on the floor for people to start developing. Smart contracts attract stable coins. We already have some, I forgot what the name of the project is, something finance. It's already providing stablecoin for the Casper ecosystem. Okay, so next year, I said it before, next year, March, April, we are going to have the real smart contract in forms of EVMs on the Casper chain. So everything is falling in place. So I plan to hold Casper for the longest, because a lot of them, you know, Da Vinci, the guy who bought Bitcoin at $1. If somebody would have told him like 10 to 15 years later that thing would be worth $70,000, a lot of people did not believe, but he did. He did believe it. And when what he did, like he bought it at $1, now he's a multi-billion millionaire, if not a billionaire. Okay, he doesn't have to work no more. He just does what he likes, which is his videos and travel the world. The same thing is with Casper. Today we have Casper at 16-17 cents, and I'm telling you guys, just buy 10,000 Casper and forget about it if you don't want to put yourself into the crypto world, because 2 or 3 runs down 2 or 3 runs down 3 runs down from here, you are going to have Casper $300, $400, $500 for one. And imagine if you have 10,000 Caspers. If you have 10,000 Caspers and one is worth $400, can it happen? Yes. Is it easily? Can it happen easily? No. What are the probability of it happening? You don't know. But what I'm telling you, that is very possible. It can happen. So I plan to hold my Casper to see that happening. I plan to hold my Casper at least 300,000 to 400,000 Casper. That's what I'm doing. I'm mining them, and so that's my plan with it. So the short term, I've already told you guys, short term, by the time we get there, my prediction, and I stand by it, I think Casper will go to $10. Now, whether it gets there or it doesn't, my plan is still the same. This run, I am going to sell 100,000 Casper plus whatever my miners make. If they make 50,000 Casper, that will be 150,000 Casper for sale. No matter what the price is for Casper, when the time comes, I think it's going to be $10 or even above. Even if it is $5, I'm still going to maintain to that. So that is my plan. A lot of people don't even plan for short term or long term. Same goes to quant. I tell guys a lot of times, quant staking is going to make you a lot of money. Okay, people still ask me the same, what's your plan for quant? Guys, my quant tokens, I am not selling them. I've already said it. My quant, I'm going to stake them. I'm going to stake my quant tokens whenever the gateway begins, because like we already know, the reason why, in case if you didn't know, the reason why quant is pumping is because the UK, they have approved the stable coins. They have approved it. They have approved even the regulatory clarity is also, come on. Regulatory clarity is also been approved by the House of Congress. So the APIs, they are running full force in United Kingdom right now. The banks have already started to adopt quant. It's not the first time United Kingdom has been in front of innovation. United Kingdom usually be the first, and the rest of the world start to copy. Okay, so that's why you see quant running right now. And I tell you guys, quant, if it does bad this season, my bearish prediction for quant this run will be around $900. Okay, average, let's say you could do it, it's around $1,500. But my bullish prediction for quant is above $5,000. That is where I stand, because everything is falling in place right now. Look at where we are. I told you guys a month and a half from now, you will see, and it has started to happen. So my plan for quant, I said it, I'm not selling my quant tokens. I'm waiting for gateways to take place. Once gateway comes in, I am going to stake my quant tokens. Yes, I have a leverage trade on quant. When I close it, I am going to hold that money to see how low the price goes on the bear market, and I'm going to buy more quant with the money I make from the leverage. That is my plan for it, because I keep saying it, guys. Quant is going to be one of the most expensive token in the cryptocurrency. You are going to see it. 2 to 3 runs from now, you are going to buy quant at the 50, 60, or even $100,000 for one quant. Just just wait. Just wait. Because if you do your calculation, at the $50 billion market cap, that will put quant above $5,000. So maybe my numbers are wrong. Let's just do it now that you guys are here. Quant total supply, I'm just say total supply is around 15 million. Okay, so 50 billion, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 50 billion. If you divide that by 15 million, 4 5 6, it gives you $3,000. So a 50 billion market cap puts quant at $3,000. Okay, so $100 billion market cap put quant at $6,000, guys. So looking at quant right now, I think quant is a token that's supposed to be let's be honest here. Quant is a token that's supposed to be around $300 to $400 billion market cap. So if you put 400 billion, say 400, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, divided by total supply, which is 15 million or close to that, 15 million, that puts a $26,000 quant. Guys, this price you're looking at, okay, I am pretty sure that quant can hit that market cap, not in this run, but the next run. The next run, you can see quant at $26,000 or even $30,000. You can see that, and everything starts right now. That's why I am not selling my quant. As a matter of fact, like I said, I'll wait. If it goes up to $5,000, I think it might retrace all the way back down to $1,000 or maybe 1,000 something. I will buy it back. That's the same thing. That's my plan for quant. Now we go to Jasmy. Okay, I told you guys my top for Jasmy, I think it's gonna be around that 60 cents. Looking at the way they are pushing stuff now with the government of Japan coming in, stepping in really strong, they're trying to make Jasmy the Bitcoin of Japan, just like they've been saying. They might push Jasmy all the way up, okay, to $2. That's what I think they might do if you look at it, because the lockup is coming up. A lot of people are talking about 20% lockup on Jasmy. So if you lock Jasmy up at 20%, which means a $60 billion market cap, okay, because total supply of Jasmy 50 billion, $60 billion market cap. If you take away 20%, it will be 30 billion times 2, that's 60 billion. So if you take that, it will be $2. Now the question, the only thing I still have, like I said with Jasmy, I am bullish on Jasmy. Now at $2, I will look at how they're doing this, how the lockup is working, how is going to, what the release schedule for those of them that lock their Jasmy up. What is the release schedule? Are they going to hold it to be able to use the technology just like Quant is doing, or do they just hold it for a period of time, then they can sell it? Depends on that. Whatever the decision is going to be is what is going to determine whether I'm selling my it's going to determine whether I'm selling my spot position on Jasmy or not. Regardless, I still have my leverage trade on Jasmy. A lot of you who like thinking different, I kept telling you that Jasmy is beginning to show sign of movement, and you guys can see what's happening now. Jasmy is running. When I mean running, I mean that resistance at 2.3 cents we've been talking about for days now. That's what we're testing right now. And once it breaks out of there, guys, this thing is off to the races. So what's my plan for Jasmy? It's simple. I'm looking at the team. I'm looking at how they are reacting. If the lockup is something like Quant is doing, like if you want to use the technology, you have to stake this amount. As long as you use this, then yeah, we'll make it a long term. I'll probably sell 50% of my Jasmy holding on spot, and I'll close my my leverage trading positions at the end of the run. But if they bring something else that does not convince me, then yes, I will sell on my spot and I will bid it bye-bye. Next on to the next thing. As simple as that. So yeah, as I'm saying, if you fail to plan, you are planning to fail. Okay, the same thing we go. We're going with a lot of people calling me crazy for starting planning for the bear market right now. And I'm telling you guys, that's my plan. Every time I take profits, I put 20% on the side, getting ready for the bear market, because I got my schedule for shorting Bitcoin. I never wait. Like guys, I don't wait for price to confirm. Once we get to that point, I'm shorting. I scale up, scale up my position, add more margin, and there we go. It has never failed me, guys. Okay, maybe like from my shorting position, price might go up $3,000-$4,000 more, and then Bitcoin usually reverse. And then after $3,000-$4,000 from where I enter my shorts, Bitcoin usually starts to fall. The same thing with my Bitcoin longs. After 3,000 or 4,000, whatever I put in my longs, Bitcoin usually start to reverse. So yeah, I stay with my plan, because that's the way I have. I don't fail to plan. You might call me crazy, but that is what it is. I keep telling guys, you need to plan, because if you don't plan, you are failing to plan. I mean, like, you're gonna fail so worse that you hate yourself for it. So yeah, start putting your plan in motion right now. What are you going to do when you get here? What's going to happen when this happens? If this doesn't happen, then we have this. If this happens, then we get that. Get your plan in position, because guys, you think 10 months is a long time. I just remember us saying Happy New Year just a couple how long ago, and we are getting ready to say Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas already. So guys, 10 months is not a long time. You need to start planning about it right now. Anyways, that's what I wanted to say before we get into this. Now let's go look at the market, see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. Let's look here into crypto bubbles. Well, everything looks green. a lot of people that were expecting a green. A lot of people were expecting a green September. Wow. Okay. I keep telling you guys it's not happening. Anyway, let's start with King Casper. KAS. We go here. For the past hour, we are up 1.6%, 0.15% up on the day, 4% down on the week, 3.3% down on the month, and 247% up on the year. You look at QNT, Quant, we are up 0.52% in the hour, 0.58% up in the day, 11.9% up in the week, 11.9% up in the month. And guys, look at the number we've been talking about. See that number? I told you guys we are almost green. So we're still down 9.4% in the year. And again, that number is getting to zero. Now let's go look at Jasmine. JAS. Okay, we look at Jasmine. Look at that. 0.17% up in the hour, 3% up on the day, 16.8% up on the week, 3.7% up in the month, and 544% up, 44% up in the year. Guys, this is exactly what I've been telling guys about. So everybody else, they're still waiting, but we don't. We do something different. Now let's go look at the price in a little much more details on my trading view. I do have, before we do that, I want to show you guys this. You guys remember this chart? I was talking about this, and I was telling you guys, as soon as Quant, excuse me, not here. As soon as Quant flips this, see that? The blue one is above the red. As soon as it does that, the price is going to start to run, and that's exactly what's happening. People are telling me about this side, like look at the MACD and the RSI. MACD is looking at oversold. Like, dude, you gotta look at here. See how long it stayed there, and price was still moving downwards. The same thing is going to happen here. Okay, the same thing is going to happen up here. This thing is going to stay so flat, just like this, while this still going up, and price will still go up. Anyways, now let's go look at trading view right quick. Let's look at trading view. This is our Casper. Yeah, Bitcoin took a dump today, and you guys already know the drill. You guys already know the drill. When Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down with it. But again, that's why we take the money printers, because the coins that we are trading, yes, they go down, but they don't go down as much as the other coins do. So if you can see, we broke below that ultimate support. Okay, we broke below the support. Price came, broke below the support. As you can see, we're trying to reclaim it again because the ribbon has already started to curve upwards. By the way, this is on the hourly chart. So yeah, see how hard we went up? Look at that. I think God somebody tried to like dump it again, but yet the bulls are like it's not happening. So the candle is about, in 10 minutes it's about to close. Once we close above the resistance, this thing is about to start going up again the way it's supposed to. Because guys, if you look on the volume, the trading volume on Casper ecosystem, that thing is off the roof, guys. It's off the roof. Now look at the 4 hourly right quick. That's easily as easy as possible. You see, we got this, I call this kind of candle, I call it Star Wars. It's a reversal candle. Okay, so yeah, I'm expecting price to go right inside this triangle again and then keep on going. The way you know it's a triangle is if you go on the daily, see, there is the triangle right there. We have the upward slope and we have the resistance right here. We have the resistance and we have the upward slope. So yeah, I'm expecting, like I told you guys yesterday, I was expecting price to come to the bottom of the triangle and then start to go back up. Now, because here we are forming the second shoulder of the inverse head and shoulder. See, that's the first shoulder right here. This is the head, and now we are forming the second shoulder. From there we are up. So the target of this is around 22 cents. That's what's about to happen with Casper. Now let's go look at Quant right quick, because again, I told you guys, Quant is not playing. Quant is not playing. Quant USDT, let's go with the Binance right there. We broke out on the daily, as you can see that right there. Quant broke out of the bull flag that we was forming, right? We said this, come on, let me take this right there. Quant broke out. This is a bull flag here, and now we're breaking out as we speak. See that? We are going up. So the target for this, I told you guys, is around that kind of, it's $104. That's where Quant is heading right now. So anybody else who's is waiting for this thing to go back down to 40, I don't know what they're looking at. Okay, so look at it for let's go on the 1 hour. I think the 1 hour will give you a better idea. See, on the 1 hour, this is the top of the flag. Like I say, you guys, we usually break out, come back for a retest. We were going up, Bitcoin started dumping, price came back down, but look at it again. We are on our way up again. Look at the ribbon, the simple things that has to make a lot of sense. Look at the simple things. Ribbon is going upwards, moving average is going upwards, and so yeah, we are off for the races, guys. Quant is gone because everything looks bullish from the public sentiments. I tell you guys, the policies are beginning to get approved all over the world. Very soon you are going to have the quant staking going live. We are going to have that. If you look at it on the 4 hourly, let's go here. Beautiful. Look at that ribbon pointing upwards. We went above the resistance, now came back, turned it into support, and there up we went. There's not much to be said other than, guys, I hope you have your positions ready. Okay, I hope you have your positions ready. And I keep telling you guys, the most important thing is go to the weekly. Go to the weekly, guys. Look here, you see we broke out already. So we get here, okay, at 104. Once we get there, the target is that first Fibonacci retracement line. The first target is right here, 125, and that is where Quant is heading in the upcoming weeks. That's where you're about to see this thing go. So I give it, like I say, a month and a half. We probably be higher than that. Just watch and see, because this week we just started, and it started green too. So the greenish, we started to go up. So we have started. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited right now. It's not even funny. I'm so excited. So guys, I don't know why people are still bearish on Quant, but like again I said, this thing is about to make people a lot of money. Now let's go look at Jasmy right quick. Jasmy, look at JASMY again on the Binance right here. You guys remember, we said it and we keep saying it. hey, we need to break that 2.3 cents. We're on the weekly, by the way. Let me close this. Come on. As you can see, the 2.3, look at that. We tested it, got rejected. Now we're still going the weekly. The week has not closed yet. I think we are going, like I said, I told you guys last time, Jasmine is about to break this 2.3 cents resistance. Okay, look at that. Ribbon is pointing upwards. Okay, it's just standard procedure. If you go, let's go on the 1 hourly right quick. Look at that. On the 1 hourly, Jasmine is up. We gone. Look at that. Ribbon upwards. The 2.3 cents we try, rejected. Try. I think we're finally is gonna get weak and we're gonna break above it. Look at the moving average is going up. Ribbon is going up. So everything points that Jasmine is about is 2.3 cents. If you go look on the 4 hourly, again, look at that. Very, very beautiful. We broke above it, got rejected, got rejected. We are trying it again right now. And again, the moving ribbon up, moving average going up. So not much to be said, only to sit tight and wait, because this thing is about to take this 2.3 cents. So guys, let's go here. Again, I do not condone leverage trading, but you can use this opportunity to either 5, 10, or even 20x your money. Please make sure you know what you're doing. It's not financial advice. If you do not know how to leverage trade, please limit yourself to just buying on spot. But if you have confidence, you know what you're doing, the links are below. Okay, the links are below. I also start from today, I will start leaving a link for my X account. You can contact me through there, and then we can have a one-on-one talk, something. But anyways, sign up, get the trading bonuses, and start trading. Okay, once you start trading, you can follow me, do you, or follow somebody else. As long as you make money, that's what is important to me. Now let's go look at my Bydfi. That's where I keep my seasonal trades. Let's go here. Bydfi. As you can see, yesterday, you see that? Look at my overall, 13,000. I was close to 14,000. Bitcoin don't. Yeah, it did everything dirty. So yeah, I'm still up 13,800. Okay. Looking at my contracts. See here. My quant, I am up almost 50%, which is $3,500. Look at Casper. My Casper, I'm almost break even. So yeah, I'm not worried about it, because I'm telling you this thing is about to take off. The take profit area for quants, you gotta understand. I told you guys my bearish positions is $950. $950, this thing will make me $223,000. Okay, my average is $1,500. $1,500 to $2,000. At 105, this thing will make me $361,000. At $2,000, this thing will make me $487,000. But yet, my bullish, because I think quant will go past that, is $5,000. So at $5,000, excuse me, this thing will make me $1.2 million. That's what we're looking at. Okay, so my Casper, you guys already know the drill. I think we're gonna go to $10. At $10, this thing will make me $600,000. Now let's go look at my Phemex right quick. On my Phemex, my only seasonal trade on Phemex is my Jasmine. My Casper over there is the trade that I use for support and resistance. Let me sign in. Wow, guys, look at that. On my Phemex, my overall is almost $16,000, and my trades are still in red. I'm just breaking even. So yeah, this thing right here is going up. So look at the contracts. Okay, my Jasmine, I just broke even, still 0%. my Casper also, I'm just breaking even, my negative 2%, almost $100. Again, you gotta look. Okay, Jasmine, take profit area for Jasmine. Okay, first take profit if you want to. Okay, you can take your profit at 4.5 cents, which for me, 4.5 cents, which for me it will make me $18,000. Next take profit is 12 cents. It's $80,000 for me. The next one will be 15 cents at the garden pocket, which makes 104,000. Okay, for me. Next one is going to be 20 cents, which make $146,000 for me. And then the next one for me, I'll be looking at 60 cents, which is $477,000 for me. Now, if everything goes according to plan, Jasmine can shoot up to probably $2, which will make $1.6 million for me. Like I said, this is a seasonal trade for me. Okay, so let's go back here. So yeah, those are things that you got to look at. Okay, have your plan ready. No matter rainfall or sunshine, stick to your plan, guys. Stick to it, because it is very, very useful when you have a plan in place, no matter what happens. Okay, that being said, guys, I have to get out of here. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Please comment. I will try to reply to your comments as much as I can, as soon as I see them. Okay, and share the video so that other people like you and I with millionaire minds, we can get together and exchange ideas. Okay, share so that this YouTube can push these videos to other people who are looking for advice, who are looking to change ideas with like-minded people like you and me. That being said, guys, please, until I see you my next time, be careful out there. Okay, be careful, don't get scammed. I don't write people. I don't have a private community for all this crap. I don't accept money from nobody. Instead, all I want you to do is to like, subscribe, and share. That's all I want from you guys. Thank you again for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.